Who doesn't want healthy, strong, fabulous hair? I'm always on the hunt for products that help to reverse the cruelty that I inflict on my hair. So today we're looking at a new range of products that sets out to do just that. I'm Mary, I'm 49 years old, and I love finding products, devices, and methods, anything that's going to help me look as young as I feel. I am Cruella de Vil when it comes to my hair. I'm not a natural blonde, and I've gone down this road of slowly brightening my hair just as a way of fighting the grays. So now, thanks to COVID, and our salons have been closed for months and probably will be closed for a few more, all you're seeing are dark roots instead of dark hair with gray roots. So, you know, it's the lesser of two evils. But as a result, my hair is in just crappy condition. So I really had to step up my game over the last 1.5 to 2 years as I've gone through this process to help care for it, because it gets frizzy, it gets broken, it gets split ends. It is just horrendous, the stuff that I'm doing to my hair. The Boldplex Regime was scientifically developed to work on a molecular level by repairing hair proteins. So it's penetrating deep into each strand of hair, strengthening, conditioning, and repairing dry and damaged hair from the inside out. That sounds like heaven. They say it's designed to rebuild, relink, and repair broken bonds. They say it's more than a mask, it's a real treatment, and it's to be used once a week if your hair is doing okay, or 2 to 3 times a week if it's super damaged. And I'm going to show you how I use this one in particular. Their shampoo, it says it gently cleanses and clarifies stressed out locks. It strengthens the bonds between salon visits to keep your hair looking great. And it's perfect for frizzy, dry, colored, curly, broken, and bleached hair types. Well, that's music to my ears, and the conditioner is exactly the same. So these are both to be used every day with the treatment, you know, once a week, 2 or 3 times, depending on your hair type. I have been using these two together now for about 10 days, and I have used this so far twice, because I tend to mask 2 or 3 times a week, but I alternate it with another. So we're starting off with wet hair. I towel dry it. I like to use a microfiber towel because it's just very, very gentle, and it reduces the amount of additional breakage. So I just get all the excess water out, so it's not soaking wet by any means. I use a wide tooth comb. I think it's the best thing to use for tugging and pulling. If you don't have a super wide tooth comb, I suggest you get one. I use one in the shower and out of the shower. It's quite a fluffy consistency. It's kind of whipped. Very easy to use. Take a little bit amount, probably about 1/4 size amount, and I just start to work it through the hair, and I usually do that a couple of times. So I start in the roots, and I make sure that it goes all the way through the hair shaft, all the way to the ends. So I'm pretty much saturating it really well, kind of all over. And I make sure that I get the ends in particular, because that's where I get split ends. And I just give it a good coating and a good covering of product. Get all the way through. And then what I do is I put it up into a bun, I put an elastic band around it, and I let it do its magic. And you're supposed to leave it on anywhere from 10 minutes to 30 minutes. Sometimes I put a little cap on, and if I want to kind of try to get the heat in there. But I think I left it for about 20 minutes last night, and then you're done. And once that's done, then you get into the shower, and you would use your product, the shampoo and conditioner, like you would any other. I use about a 1/4 size amount of shampoo, and I give it a nice good lather. I tend to use a scalp massager when I'm using shampoo, and you can't actually see it in here, but I put some shampoo on and I just scrub the scalp, and it's really great for stimulating hair growth, and it's great particularly if you have a dry scalp. It helps to kind of dislodge some of the flakes, and it helps limit the flakiness. It's brilliant. And then I rinse that out, and then I go in with the standard conditioner. So again, about a 1/4 size amount. Now I don't generally put that in my roots because my hair is quite flat, it's quite straight. So I tend to put it sort of mid-shaft and down, making sure that it's getting the ends of my hair. Again, I use the wide tooth comb in the shower. It's a great way of making sure that all of the product is distributed evenly throughout my hair, but it also gets all the tangles out, so it makes it a lot easier when I'm out of the shower and trying to dry my hair. Okay, so for the verdict, what do I think? I actually really like this range. I have to say, I was really surprised. I am a loyal Boldplex user, but I have to say I was thrilled with this. Now this product is completely comparable without a doubt. You get a lot more bang for your buck, I think, with this, with twice the amount of product, and it does the same job. And I actually really like this product. But the big surprise were these. I love them. But to spend this kind of money on shampoo, I have high expectations. Now, I constantly try out new brands. I have some in the shower I've been using for about 2 or 3 months. Meh, won't be repurchasing. This one I will be repurchasing. And the true test for me is when I air dry my hair, when I don't blow dry, which I probably do maybe 3 or 4 times a week. And it's really what happens to my hair when I don't put anything in it. What kind of condition is it in? And my hair was in great condition. It didn't have as many flyaways and it felt silky, silky smooth. And that wasn't because of any treatments. It was really just the shampoo, just down to that. How does that work day in and day out? Bold Unique, you totally got this right, and I will be repurchasing this when it's over. It's a fantastic everyday shampoo for keeping stressed, colored, just tortured hair in good condition. So this was a hands down winner for me, and I absolutely will be repurchasing these two. And the value for money you get for this, I'll be repurchasing this one too.